So, Madam has given some data. Have you seen the data? In the Google Classroom, I think Farah has posted.
The classroom, I was not able to find the exact data, but anyhow, I have downloaded the data yesterday itself from the Zoom meeting chat box. So yes, we have a data.
Sir, not received the data from the Google Classroom yet.
Hello, Farah, have you?
Yes, sir, I have posted. Please check on WhatsApp also with the link.
Yes, and we received on mail also.
Now it is visible, but it was not displaying since yesterday. So today afternoon, I also tried to gather the data, but not able to do so because it was not displaying in my classroom.
So I am requesting both of you, please you download. Have you downloaded the data?
Yeah, it's done.
Okay. So what is in B? What is the B variable?
Field. It's a department-wise data is there.
No, B is the region.
Yeah. I think B is the department, C is the region.
But I find, whether
yes,
this is Jammu power sector chart. You have downloaded this one or?
Yeah, I have downloaded second one. Actually, that was the
No,
raw
you
data that
you download the first one.
okay.
I am sharing the screen. This is visible to all of you.
yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, now you write down some of the questions based upon whatever the data are there. Any question you can think. Try to explore minimum 5 questions. So you will get 2 minutes time to write down the 5 questions. Done? Hello. Now, Pritish, please tell. What are your questions?
Sir, I have written down, find the equipment for which maintenance is pending.
Equipment, where you can get the equipment data.
You have like asset which is written down.
No, based upon this particular data, asset, whether asset data is here.
Yes, sir. First one, A, asset. There is asset ID, na?
Oh, what? Yeah. This is the asset ID. But this asset ID, I think. Okay. So, okay. Now I understand. Asset ID. Okay.
This is asset ID means that a particular equipment number might be. So maintenance is written completed or pending. So
No. ये प्रीतिश, हमको तो लगता है ना, ये एसेट इज बेसिकली जो नॉर्थ सोलर, ये जो है ना, उसको बोल रहा है एसेट आईटी, रीजन नॉर्थ, एक जगह का एसेट आईडी, जैसे तुम हल्दिया इज सपोज टीपी 001 लाइक दैट, लोकेशन.
Okay.
This plant ID.
Okay, plant ID. Maybe. Okay, in that case, if it is not there, then the highest efficiency or next I have tried to find it out. Okay, highest efficiency or region wise or based on fuel type.
Okay, suppose you want to assess the
best efficiency
pattern by the region. Okay. Then in Jamovi, what you will write down? What will be your command?
I will select these two variables, region and efficiency.
Where you have put the region?
That after going to the descriptive analysis, let me open.
So efficiency is your measurement variable, okay?
Variables, yes.
And the region is your categorical data. So if I want to find out the efficiency wise, the region wise differences in efficiency level. Okay, then in Jamovi, what will be my command?
Variables will be the efficiency and the split by each will be region.
Very good. So now I want to find out significant differences in efficiency between region-wise differences. So if I want to study the significant differences of the region-wise differences, then which statistics I can use?
Region wise, I can
Sir, we will go
select
to analyze, then exploration, then descriptives.
So which statistics we can use? If I want to find out the region-wise significant mean differences in efficiency level, then which statistics we can use?
I think mean, median,
Okay.
maximum, minimum. We can also see the outliers, whether there is outliers.
No, I am telling that is the significant mean differences. How many groups are there in region?
In region, 4 groups are there.
Yeah, region includes the 4 levels: north, south, north, west, east. Okay. So when you have the more number of independent variables and your dependent variable is only one, then you can use the ANOVA or you can use the Kruskal-Wallis test. Analysis of variance, because your independent variables are 4. Therefore, you can use the ANOVA, that is analysis of variance. Or Kruskal-Wallis test.
Sir, ANOVA and what?
Kruskal-Wallis test. Kruskal.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay. Now, Ujjwal, you please tell me, I want to find out significant mean differences in efficiency level between the groups of maintenance. Then which statistics I can use?
Bar chart. Bar
Bar
chart.
chart.
Yeah.
No, bar chart is the plot.
Yeah.
I want to study the significant mean differences in efficiency with respect to the maintenance. Can anybody tell? Okay, so in the maintenance, there are two levels. One is the completed, another one is the pending. Another one is the overdue. Okay, so three variables are there. Three levels are there. Completed, pending, and overdue. So here, we can use the Kruskal-Wallis test or the ANOVA. Because three levels are there. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
And if I want to do only the completed and pending, so that two groups will be there, then which statistics we can use? Usmita has taught everything. If there are only two groups, and your dependent variable is only one, and that is the efficiency. Then which statistics we can use? Then we can use the t-test, student's t-test. T here, it is the small t, not the capital T. Small t. Or we can use the median test. For the non-parametric orientation. Is it clear to all of you? When we will use the t-test, and when we will use the ANOVA. Can anybody tell me?
Sir, it is not clear to me yet.
That means when your independent variable includes the two groups, for example, male, female, and your dependent variable is one, then you can use the t-test, student's t-test. From the
In the t-test, there
parametric
is three
point of view.
options. In t-test, three options are showing: independent sample t-test, paired sample t-test, and one sample t-test.
But here it is the independent sample. It is not
Independent
the
sample.
paired sample.
Okay.
Okay. So this is the independent sample. But when there are more than two groups, then we can use the ANOVA or Kruskal-Wallis test. Now it is clear. Any question you have? Okay. Now again you think some new question. Looking at the data, you generate the new question. I cannot see anyone.
Fuel versus efficiency analysis.
Efficiency analysis?
Fuel-wise efficiency analysis.
Acha, acha. Correct. So how many groups are there, or how many levels are there in case of the fuel?
Fuel, 4 levels are there. That is 4 category.
4 categories are there. And the efficiency is only 1.
Yeah.
Okay. So here, which statistics we can use?
Again, I think ANOVA will be useful.
We can use ANOVA. That is true. Any other question comes to your mind?
Yes, sir.
Fuel-wise
If we
fuel-wise average efficiency.
Hmm?
Fuel-wise average efficiency.
This is almost same. Any other type question?
region and capacity.
Sorry, I cannot understand. What is that?
Region and capacity.
Region and capacity. Region, this is also the same type. So
Okay.
any other model you can think. Because in region, again, the 4 levels are there, and the dependent variable is 1. So definitely we'll go for the ANOVA.
Suppose we want to have efficiency for based on region and fuel.
Efficiency by region, the same thing.
No, region and fuel together.
Region and fuel
Together.
together.
Because north will have 4 north solar, north wind, north thermal, north hydro. South will have south solar, south wind, south thermal, south hydro. Like that.
Yes, this is a very good question. So what will be the design?
Fuel split by region.
You are telling two independent variables.
Right.
And the one dependent variable. First of all, you have to find out whether the region and fuel, these two are basically the non-metric data. Okay. And your efficiency is your metric data. Earlier, we have noted that is the region has 4 levels. Fuel also the 4 levels. Now we have to find out whether the region and fuel, is there any association? Then which statistics will follow? We can follow. Can anybody tell? So if you find the significant association between region and fuel, then it will be easy for you for studying the effect of region and fuel on the efficiency. But if you do not find any association, then you cannot make. So here is one scope, that is the region and the fuel. So which statistics we can use? Jogesh, can you tell which statistics we can use? We can use the chi-square test. Okay. We can use the chi-square test, because these are the categorical data, and our interest is to find out the association between region and fuel. Therefore, we can do the chi-square test. So we have identified the mean difference like the t-test, ANOVA. Another one is the frequency, that is the categorical data, the association between the categorical data. That is also by the chi-square test. So that part is over. Now, any other question can come. Hmm. Except the mean differences, any other question comes to your mind? A very common question. look at the data, you will find some of the metric data and some of the non-metric data or the categorical data. So you have suggested to what extent the categorical data related to your metric data. Now looking at the data set, you suggest some other statistical model that we can use here. It is very simple. Sejal, can you tell?
Sir, can you please repeat the question?
My question, looking at the data.
Yes, sir.
So what are the questions come to your mind for the analysis?
Hmm.
Okay, here is some metric data and some categorical data. So we have already discussed about how the categorical data influence the metric data. That part is over. And how the two categories, they are associated with each other by their levels. So that part also done.
Yes.
Okay. Now you suggest another question. I am giving you Q. That is, the question will be related to the metric data only.
Sir, I think this is monthly capacity of plant, generating capacity of plant versus the amount of electricity they are able to produce and the efficiency in percentage.
Yeah, so if it is there, then which statistics we can use?
Types of charts, sir. T-test or ANOVA? That you are
No.
asking.
You concentrate only the metric data. That is the capacity monthly. Another one is the efficiency.
Efficiency.
So what questions come to your mind?
Sir, I want to showcase my plant's capacity versus the amount of electricity it is producing and its efficiency percentage. So, in one chart,
So which statistics you can use?
I could use.
Whatever you are telling, that is okay. Now, for that reason, which statistics we can use?
Line chart, sir. Line chart for efficiency versus capacity. And month on month, generating capacity could be showed through bar chart.
No, I am telling the statistics. You are telling the graph. I am telling statistics.
No idea, sir. Cannot guess.
So this type of insight one should have. You can make the correlation coefficient. Now it is clear?
Yes, sir. Correlation coefficient
Yes.
between all. Okay.
Okay. Is there anyone having Jamovi now and able to show this data through Jamovi? Is there anyone? Pritish, I think you have the laptop.
Yes, sir.
I think you have the laptop with Jamovi.
Yes, sir, I'm having.
So you please share your screen and you take this data, import this data to your Jamovi. So I stop here, the share part. So now you present.
They're not able to host disabled attendees screen sharing. Sir, while clicking the sharing button, it is coming host disabled attendee screen sharing. I think I need some authorization from your end.
Now you try, because I have not received.
So while clicking the share button, some dialog box is coming. Disabled share. Host disabled attendee screen sharing.
From my part, it is clear. Other people can share. I do not know what happened. Okay, now you try.
It's coming, sir. Share button is not activated.
Are you getting the same question?
Yes.
Yes.
Is my screen shared, sir?
Yes, it is clear.
Okay, now is it visible?
Yeah. So
Okay.
what is our first question? That is the
data that I have taken.
So first you have to click the analysis, then exploration, then descriptives. Yeah, efficiency will be in the variable and the region will be split by. Now you go to the plot. Box plot. Now you go below. Yeah, show the box plot indicates the differences are there. Okay, by the DG in the efficiency score. Therefore, we can go ANOVA. It is written ANOVA. You click ANOVA. You click one-way ANOVA. Your dependent variable is efficiency and grouping variable will be region. Now you can find out the F value. It is not significant. That means looking at the plot, we find the differences are there. But when we are trying to study the significant mean differences, then we do not find any significant differences. So how we can find out? Can anybody tell me that there is no significant difference among the three groups or among the region wise?
It is 0.3, below 1, that's why.
No. This is the F value. We have to consider the P value, that is the probability. The probability value must be equal to or less than 0.5. Sorry, 0.05. 0.05. It is higher than 0.05. Now, you will find out DF1 is 3. Why it is 3? Can anybody tell? Because you have 4 groups. So 4 minus 1, that will be your DF1. Okay.
Okay.
What is your total data? Whether you have calculated, you go up. One-way ANOVA, you go up. Okay, now. Now, what is your total data? How many data are there? Not the
How many
field.
columns?
No, total data, how many data are there? 5776. Oh,
Right.
very few. Okay. Okay, for understanding, you can use ANOVA. Here it is the 25 total. So based upon the 25 data, we cannot make any significant mean differences. Okay. This is not very sound. Okay. Here it is written additional statistics, descriptive table and descriptive plot. You click it. Okay. Your sample size is very small. Okay. So otherwise we can do something more. So this part, another part is the chi-square. So you click the frequencies. It is written independent sample, no, below, independent sample chi-square of association. There you write down in the row, you can write region, and in the column, you can write the fuel. So this is your data, very small data. Therefore, this is the contingency table model. Okay. And below that, you will find out the chi-square. So how many rows and how many columns can you tell?
Four row and 5 columns.
4 fuel type and the region also 4. Okay. Therefore, 4 minus 1. Another one region wise minus 1. So 3 into 3, that will be your DF. Your DF is 9. Okay. And your p-value is 0.6. That is also not significant. And your sample size only 25. So there is one plot is there. You click the plots. What is there? Okay, the bar plot. I do not know the bar plot is what or not. So this is the region and this is the field type. So what Obiji sir has told, that if we want to find out whether there is any significant association between the category variable, So now it is clear. Another part is the correlation. So now you click the regression. There is correlation matrix. Now you take this metric data. So here you can find out the correlation, whether these variable they are related with each other or not. So monthly output is highly correlated with the capacity. Since your sample size is very small, we cannot make very high generalization. Okay. And the efficiency score is negatively correlated with monthly output. Now I am interested to examine whether this correlation varies with the region. Then what will be my approach? So you click the data. Now you click the filters.
There one point just
Yes.
regarding as far as this table is concerned, suppose I need to communicate to management, nobody will understand DF, p-value, Pearson R, and p-value. So what is the message we need to give to the management based on this?
Yeah, the message is very simple. The capacity and the monthly output, these two are highly correlated with each other. And efficiency score and the capacity, that is negatively correlated. That means one side increases, another side is decreasing. So you can show it by using the scatter plot. Okay, again, you go to the analysis, exploration, scatter plot is, you click it. And there you can click this efficiency score. Now, what is the positive correlation? You have seen the positive correlation. You find out that is the 0.97.
Maybe capacity by monthly output.
Capacity by monthly output. So these two you can take. One is x-axis, another one is y-axis. So this is your graphical distribution. And there is one regression line. You click the linear. Yes. So just you calculate how many dots are there.
$24.
25 will be there. 25 will be. Now you can find out one data, that is monthly output data is 500, as well as the capacity part, that is also more than 800. So where is that particular data? If you want to find out, then how can you go below? No, you click this graph, click the graph and right click. No, analysis. No, all में क्या है? No. Now you click at least one dot, that is the highest one. You click it. You click.
Nothing is coming.
Nothing is coming. So you can identify this particular data. Through your so if you click your data, whether it will show your data, you click before the analysis data is there, you click it. So is there any data that is the more than 800? Another one is the more than 600. Capacity and monthly. There is one data that is more than 800 in or more than 600. You go.
More than 600 is there one.
And that is also more than 5. That is. So this is the data. Okay. Suppose this is the individual worker data. Then we can select this individual. Because in both variables, that particular individual perform well.
Another question was, wherever we are doing ANOVA or chi-square test, what sort of message, again, I understand this point where what is the key message from this data? But from the chi-square and ANOVA, what is the message for the top management?
By using the scatter plot.
No, scatter plot, so that I've understood. I'm saying before we have done some ANOVA and chi-square test. So what is the message from there? Management information from that.
Message will be, that is the, with respect to the mean difference, are you telling?
Because Pritish, previously you have done the chi-square test and ANOVA. Go to that part. What was there? This is one way ANOVA, suppose. So
And this is the one-way ANOVA.
suppose with this, what can I communicate?
That means efficiency score-wise,
Mhm.
no differences across the region.
Okay.
So that means whatever the data we have collected, maybe from Huldia, Jojobera, Maithon, then Baripada. So I have collected that data. And I want to find out whether there is any significant differences among the four. Then we can do this type of analysis. Okay. The only limitation is that the questionnaire is very much plan specific. So we cannot make any generalization based upon our data. Okay. But here you can tell that is, there is no significant differences across the region in efficiency. So this is the message. That means if the difference is there, suppose I have received the difference, okay, then I can go for the post hoc analysis. I think this is not possible here because the sample size is small and again, there is no significant differences.
Significance difference is coming from the p-value.
P-value.
Okay.
That is the probability value. 5% chance is there or less than 5% chance. That we can consider. But in case of the medicine, it will be 0.001 like that.
Okay.
Because that is the high risk is there. And here there is no such risk. Therefore, we can use the 0.05 or 0.01. Now, can you suggest any other statistics we can get out of this data? Any other statistics? That is also related to the plot. So can anybody tell? Acha, Prithvish, you can go this three lines are there, na? Above the exploration, you click it. There is one data, open. You click the open. You have this data, Tata.
Actually, I was having it is our own data. I was trying something to get something from our data.
If it is possible that,
But
if it
actually,
is public, then you can show. Otherwise, you do not show.
no, we can show it, no issue. But actually, sir, I can show you. Actually, generally, what we do is use the Excel and through pivot chart, we try to figure it out through different charts. So the same thing I was trying in this with app, but was not quite able to. Actually, not able. All the functions are not clear to me. That's why I was not able to find out my result output from here.
Okay, so you can go this, again, you can click the frequencies. Then you,
Which also?
no. You go to the Jamovi, it is written frequencies, you click it. Then you go to the independent sample. Now you select the status. Another one is the incident category, not the incident ID. Incident category column. Yeah. And the factor name will be your department.
Factor name means this counts.
Okay. You drop it. You can put in layers. Yes. So now you will get the data. Oh God. What is the data?
Actually, I have to clean the data. I was just, it was raw data.
Oh, there is no data. There is no data. Therefore, it is written none. If you have the data, then you can use this model. Okay. That means for the specific department, what will be the association between status and incident category? That thing is possible. Since you do not have that data.
Yeah, I have to correct it. Then.
Hello, Farah, are you here? Farah? Hello, Farah. Hey, Ushmita, are you here?
Yes, sir.
Ushmita, so how we can take the empty cards data? We can take the empty cards data.
Sir, in the R script, we can just write empty cars. It gives the data over there.
Correct. So, okay, Prithvish, you go to the Jamovi. And you click the module in the last corner. The corner is there. No, in the right side, module, you click it. Module library, Jamovi library. Unable to access. I do not know what is that. It is written installed. You click it. Okay, now you write down R, capital R. RJ editor. You write down RJ editor. RJ. No, I do not know why. Pushmita, can you guide why RJ editor cannot be downloaded? Available में तो क्लिक किया है.
प्रीति से पर्सनल लैपटॉप है क्या ऑफिस का?
ऑफिस का है, ऑफिस का.
Oh, इसलिए. Since it is office, therefore you are not able to do that analysis.
Prithvish sir,
Yes, ma'am.
just kindly check the available tab once for RG editor. It's still showing unable to access library. Acha.
Actually, ma'am, it's our office laptop, so
Oh,
I
yeah,
was
yeah,
only
yeah.
able
It is
to
the office
only
laptop.
able to download and install, but further, if I need to do anything extra, I can't do.
Because that is one data set, that is empty cards. So is it possible to go to the Google, Pritish? You go to the Google and there you write down empty cards data. Empty.
What's an MT?
M for mango. MT, motor. M, T.
Card.
Cards. CARS. Empty cards. It is written. Empty cards data set in R. You click it. Whether it is available. It is written. R statistics data set. You click it. Oh, Kaggle is there. You can apply Kaggle.
This one.
So
he needs to sign in.
So you have to remember. Okay, you go back. I think empty cards data is available besides Kaggle.
सर जामोवी की लाइब्रेरी में भी है एक बार आप
Jamovi library is not able to access.
Okay.
So
export में
otherwise Prithvish will not be able to get the RG editor.
सर आरजी एडिटर ही नीड्स टू पहले फर्स्ट मॉड्यूल में डाउनलोड करना होगा ना
But it is a company laptop. Therefore, he is not able to.
download any module in the
No.
software also.
No, yeah. Then how can I teach? Because the sample size very small. Acha, madam has given another data set. Just you check that data. Or Ushmita, can you do one thing? You can download the empty cards and put it in the Google Classroom.
Sir, give me a minute. I'll do that.
I think this is this may be good data. You go below. How many data are there? Again, this is small data. 28, not 26. Only 2 categorical data is there. Okay, you can take this data to Jamovi.
Sir, I've got the data. Should I upload it?
You got it. You can
Yes,
upload
sir.
empty cards. Empty cards is very important. To learn the data
should I-
science, empty cards data, very good. Ushmita, are you sharing the screen now?
No, sir, not sharing the screen. I'm trying to copy the data set.
So who is sharing the screen? Pritish.
Yes, sir, I think, sir.
Yes, sir, my screen is shared.
So you can take that data Ushmita has given, empty cards data.
Sir, I haven't given it yet. I'm trying to copy it. It's not copying.
Ushmita, you can give only the Excel. Then it will be easy.
Yes, sir, just a minute. Sir, can I just share my screen once?
Hmm?
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Can I just share my screen once?
You can share.
Okay. Sir, this is the data set I have received. How do I export this?
So you put in the Jamovi, this data.
So this is an art trainer.
No problem. So you put the data, the Excel data, this CSV data you can put.
So this is not CSV, sir. This is art data.
No
Sir,
problem.
how many data you have, Ashmita? 32, right?
Yeah, 32.
Sir, I have CSV file of 32. Ashmita, I'm sending.
Okay,
On WhatsApp
okay.
group.
Yeah, send
Sir,
it to WhatsApp. I'll upload it in the.
WhatsApp I have put. Okay, participants, you can check on WhatsApp group.
Okay, I'll upload this in the Google Drive.
Yeah.
Okay, Farah, have you given?
Yes, sir, it is there on WhatsApp group.
Sir, I have uploaded it to the class as well.
Okay, Pritish, now you can upload the file. So Pritish, are you here?
Yes, sir. I have just taken it. Sharing.
You just take the data from Excel to Jamovi, and this is the best one. Here you get that good data. Yeah. Now you are getting the good data. I can teach many things based upon this. Okay. So now you write down the, you click ANOVA. And there is, it is written just one way ANOVA, after that ANOVA. You click it. Your dependent variable is MPG. And your grouping variable is VS. VS. Correct. Okay. So you have used the non-parametric, that means Kruskal-Wallis test, and that is significant. Okay. So 15.5, it is written. Now it is clear. And it is written effect size. You click it below effect size. So the effect size also 0.50. Effect size, that means it is moderate. And DSCA pairwise comparison, that is not possible maybe, because VS have only the two groups. Therefore, your DAP is 1. So now you remove the VS. And you take WT. You remove the A. Oh, acha, acha. No. You can click the HP, grouping variable HP. This is not significant. HP will not work. If there are at least more than 2 groups, then we can do the analysis. Okay, you click the exploration, descriptives. Now you take the variables, that is the CYL, variables, how many, and frequency tables. It is written, the frequency table, you just click. Yeah, I think it will work. Okay. So now you go to the ANOVA. And you take the MPG as the variable. And grouping variable will be CYL. Yeah. Now you have noted the effect of CYL on MPG, that is significant. Okay. Now you click the effect site and DS CA pairwise comparison. Pritish, now it is clear. Here you can find out the pairwise comparison because there are 3 groups. And here you can find out. That is the 4 and 8. That is significant. And 6 and 8. That is also significant. Okay. Earlier one I cannot show you, but this time I can show you because I have noted that the variable is significantly different. So Pritish, it is clear? Ujjwal, Vijay sir, Anand.
Actually, in a physical significance, I'm not able to grasp because these are just numbers and some variables. So sometimes problem is that we understand the significance. What is 4? What is 6? What is 8?
Now, 4 and 6 is the group. Okay. So the CYL, that has 3 groups. Therefore, you have noted the 4 and 6. What is the mean difference between the and 4 and 8 and 6 and 8? We have noted the significant differences lies between 4 and 8 and the 6 and 8. And the effect size is very high, 0.83. Earlier data I cannot show you, but now I can show you. Okay, now you go to the ANOVA again. No, not this ANOVA, not one-way ANOVA. ANOVA is there. Before that, there is one ANOVA. You click this one. Yes. So here your dependent variable is MPG. You select MPG. Correct. And the fixed factor is VS. You click the VS and AM. Correct. So now you can find out. Okay, Vijay sir, you are asking this question.
Yes.
So now you can find out that mean effect is significant, but the interaction effect not significant.
Okay.
So I think I have completed all those things. Okay, you click the model fit. Go below. No, it does not show anything. Achha, there is one model. You click the model. model terms is the VS and AM. Suppose you are not interested the interaction. So it is written VS star AM and you just remove it. So this is your model. Okay. Now this is the advantage. You can check. Achha, you go below. Is there any plot? No, there is no plot. Okay, so we have covered all those things. And another part is the correlation. Okay, now you go to the regression, correlation matrix, and you take only this MPG and DISP. The correlation is negative. So you go below, there is one plot correlation matrix. You click it. Yeah. So here you can find out this is also the regression line, and it is negatively correlated. So you can use this one, and better you can use the scatter plot. So the exploration is there. You can click the scatter plot. Achha, it is written densities for variables. Correlation matrix. You click it. Yeah. So that is the density of variable. Statistics is written. You click it. So it is written negatively correlated minus 0.85. Go below. There is one hypothesis correlated negatively. You click it. In hypothesis, under that correlated negatively. This indicates the negative correlation. So it means whatever your hypothesis, that is okay. And below, is there anything more? Below plot, nothing is there. No? So you can go to the exploration and then scatter plot. That is the better data. Scatter plot. There you can put this data. On each x-axis MPG and y-axis is DISP. Yeah. And you draw the line, regression line. Yeah, this is a straight line. Showing the DSP from 0 to 400, it is increasing. And MPG okay, DISP is the negative, okay, and MPG is increasing 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 to 35. That means there is some data that is above DISP and close to 10 for MPG. So you can identify that data. It is written box plot. You click it. Oh, that's very nice. Another thing you can get. Where the data are more and where the data is less. Okay. So I think you have understood. That is, whenever you will find out any data, then you have to try thinking that how we can apply some statistical model for the data, and whether you are able to extract some new information through the data. That is also a good one. Okay. So any question you have, or this is, if there is any confusion, you can ask me. Okay. So good night, everyone. Now I am closing.